Now it's William's turn to figure out the typewriter. Well, how are you going to type the whole page if you're typing at the very bottom?
I don't know. Go like that. How do you do it? Page gauge.
Okay, take it out. You don't. Let's see if this will help you.
Okay, I don't know for shit. Let's go back here.
You're going to start typing in the middle of the page, or okay.
Do that.
Okay, keep going. That was good. You made a start. That was good. Do it again. Do it again. No.
God damn it, Sophie, you fucking bitch.
Hey. Okay. So it has to go in there somehow. So how would it go in there?
Oh, no shit.
So would you just shove it in there, or would maybe a mechanism do it? What shape is this?
A straight line.
No, what shape is this?
A circle.
Okay.
Oh, you suck it back down?
So do you need to put your paper in there better, maybe? Okay. No. No. I'll help you a little bit. Okay. Why, are you going to start typing the bottom of the page? It's not straight, but it's okay.
What?
It's fine.
You start at the top of the page right here. Right?
Where's the top of the page?
Oh, this is the top of the page. Wait. Yeah, I think.
Okay, yeah, that's the top of the page. Why don't you put your typewriter on the table better? So you put that many spaces between your words?
So if you fuck up, you're fucked.
So how do you go to the next page?
Oh,
No, you're back on the same line. No, that's not how you do it, but it's okay.
Why does the space have so much space?